Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add commission services on Ko-Fi. If you're an artist, designer, or creator and want to offer paid custom work directly from your page, yeah, Ko-Fi commissions make it really easy. Let's go through everything step by step in 2026. First, log into your Ko-Fi account and open your creator dashboard. This is where you manage your shop, posts, donations, and commission settings. Next, find the Commissions or Services tab. This section allows you to create different commission types that your supporters can order directly. Now enable the commissions feature if it's not already active. Once enabled, you'll be able to start adding custom commission options for your customers. Next, click Add New Commission Type. This is where you define what kind of service you're offering, like portraits, logo design, sketches, or custom illustrations. Now set your price, description, and delivery time. Be clear about what buyers will receive so there's no confusion later. Next, add requirements for your clients. You can ask for details like references, style preferences, or project instructions before starting the work. Once everything looks good, publish your commission service. Now your offer will appear on your Ko-Fi page, and supporters can start ordering instantly. And that's basically it. You now know how to add commission services on Ko-Fi in 2026. It's a great way to turn your skills into income and connect with your audience directly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.